DS Automobiles is preparing to introduce yet another model, the DS8. We've seen several scoops on multiple occasions, yet the latest are the most revealing for obvious reasons. Our photographers have recently spied the quirky-looking crossover-y sedan while it was doing its thing. Nothing out of the ordinary so far, though if you look at its front fascia, you will see that there's no camouflage on it whatsoever. Thus, the model finally shows its face in a premiere with a Y-shaped lighting signature. The slim LED headlights, sharp DRLs, large grille, aggressive bumper with an integrated apron, and the DS logo sitting above the license plate are finally visible for the first time. The car promises to be a looker, at least at the front anyway, as the rest of it will be quite unusual. As previous spy shots have revealed, the 2025 DS8 is a weird mix between a crossover and a sedan. It looks like a four-door model, albeit with an arched roofline behind the rear pillars. It has a rather upright lower tailgate design and generous ground clearance akin to real crossovers. From what we can tell, backseat occupants should have plenty of headroom, yet the cargo area will be smaller compared to a traditional highrider or a station wagon. It is widely believed that this model will utilize the STLA medium platform. Stellantis construction is dedicated to compact and mid-size C and D segment cars, and it has already been utilized on the Jeep Compass, Citroën C5 Aircross, Peugeot E3008 and E5008, and Opel Grandland. The next-gen Alfa Romeo Giulietta, which is expected in 2028, might also use this construction, and rumors speak of a new Opel Vauxhall, a Lancia, and another DS that might share it. The DS8 is set to become the brand's flagship model when it launches later this year. A prototype with an exposed front end was recently captured by our spy photographers. The model is built on the STLA medium platform and features a dual-motor electric powertrain. Stellantis' DS Automobiles employees seem to be slipping when it comes to camouflaging their prototypes. Take, for example, the upcoming flagship DS8 model, which was recently spotted with its front end exposed, giving us a sneak peek, perhaps unintentionally, at what's to come. The DS8 sports an aggressive face, with slim LED headlights and sharply defined DRLs integrated into the front bumper. While the large grille is mostly shrouded, black trim connects it to the lower bumper intakes. Other notable design elements include flush door handles, a charging port on the rear fender, and angular LED taillights that make no effort to blend in. According to our spy photographers, who clearly had a field day with this one, the exposed front bumper might have been the result of previous damage.